Want to know how to mute a YouTube video on your phone without silencing your entire device? I've got you covered. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Alright, so if you open the YouTube app and start playing a video, you'll notice there's no option to mute it other than turning your phone's volume all the way down. Not ideal if you want to listen to music while watching a video, right? Here's the trick. Open a web browser, Safari or Chrome. It doesn't matter whether you're on iPhone or Android, and go to youtube.com. Play the video you want and hit full screen.
How to sync contacts on your iPhone.
Now tap on the screen and you'll see a volume icon at the top right. You can adjust the volume slider all the way down to mute the video or turn it up if you prefer. The best part? This works for any video. Just go full screen, adjust the volume slider, and you're good to go. Simple, right?